single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously.
And welcome to MHC Tech Talks. So I have the Apple Watch Series 3 with me right now, and I have already done the unboxing video for this one. So if you haven't seen that video, so I'll leave the link in the description. You can go ahead and watch that quick unboxing video. So now in this video we are going to set up the Apple Watch with the help of iPhone. So let us see, and then we'll be having the in-depth review of the Apple Watch Series 3, and then maybe we can think whether Apple Watch Series 3 is worth buying in 2018 when we already have Series 4, and then again, I mean, later updates would be coming on. So let's check out whether Apple Watch Series 3 is worth buying in 2018. So it is saying me iPhone Apple Watch, so and it's flashing that I should bring the iPhone near to it. So I'll just turn on the Bluetooth and just bring the iPhone near. Let's see what happens. For that I'll have to open the watch app. So I have opened the watch app and I'll just click on start pairing. So let's see what happens. Okay, so it says put on your Apple Watch and hold it to the camera. Okay, so it has given some QR code kind of thing in the screen, as you can see over here, and I just need to place my camera on that QR code so that it will set up all the things automatically. So I'll just have to, if you can see over here, I'll just focus my camera into this. So once I do this, it automatically pairs the phone. So as you can see, it is now synchronizing, and it is giving the details like 42mm aluminum case. I mean, this one is 42mm aluminum case, and they have written here designed by Apple in California. So your Apple Watch is paired. So I'll just have to click on setup Apple Watch. It will ask me wrist preference, like on which wrist I usually wear my watch. So I'll be clicking on left. So I'll just click on left, and then it says setting up language, and automatically it will be synchronizing based on my geography and my language preference and all those things. So it will just set up all the things for me. So I think setting up is quite easy. I mean, any new user can set it up. Even I myself is setting the smartwatch for the first time, and here they will be telling some terms and conditions which we will have to agree anyway. So I'll just click on agree, and it will just sign in to my Apple ID, and then it will set it up all. So again guys, this was a small setup video, I mean how to set up the Apple Watch video. So this is all you need to do. Once all this procedure is done, there are various settings which I will be telling you all. So hope you guys like this small video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, please hit like, and I will see you guys in next one. Thanks for watching.